Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can design products online and earn $400 per day. All you need to do is to go to the website which is called teespring.com and it's completely free. Teespring is a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. With no cost, no hassle, or no risk. When you scroll down and you can find a list of recommended designed products such as long sleeve tees, unisex tees and other products that you can take inspiration of them and create your own design. You can also discover creators and their products through huge assortment of apparels and accessories with very visually pleasing designs. So, in order to make money through this website you need to submit your own designed product and then in case someone needs to buy them Teespring will help you to print them and then sell them to customers so that you can earn commission from your designed products. Teespring is amazing because it allows you to make many designs as you want and it helps you to print the shirts or other apparel on your own since Teespring will do all the work for you. The only thing that you're gonna do is submit your designs and then get paid per sales made. So now it's time to create your Teespring account so that you can start design your own products. Click on the Start Creating button. After you will be redirected to this page where you need to fill your name or brand name, email and password and also tick the box that says I'm not a robot. Once you're done all you have to do is hit the sign up button. After that you can now log in easily by filling up your email. Password. And tick I'm not a robot box. After that click on Login. You are now going to design items in different steps. Step 1 Just design and create a custom store instantly for free. Step 2 Connect your social accounts, promote your launch and share your products with your community and finally. Step 3 is where you get the profit you deserve while they handle the production shipping and customer support for you. And now it's time to show you how you can design new products. In this video, I'm gonna click on this premium long sleeve tee so that I can start designing it. You can design this long sleeve tee by image or by text, but in this video, I'm gonna use an image so I need to upload here an image to be used. After that my Spider-Man image is now reflected as the main design on the premium long sleeve tee. You can move the image and adjust it and put it literally anywhere you want. Then you can choose the product color which is going to be applied on the long sleeve tee. Then I choose black color to be the color of my long sleeve tee. After that you have to fill your product price, but Teespring will automatically set it at $28.99 and your commission will be above $8 which is going to be your income. Click on Continue. On this page you will have access to more products with the same design that you made. You can have different products with the same design at once which is amazing. Click on Continue button where you will finally reach to the last step where you need to name your design, add its description and add the link of your store. Now the following stage is to use your social media platforms in order to share your link and upload the image of your design so that all people around the world can see your design and buy them so that you can early commission from your designed products. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.